Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A swimming pool is being drained. It starts with 8,000 gallons of water and drains at a constant rate of 250 gallons per hour. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that represents the amount of water, y in gallons, remaining in the pool after t hours. Then determine how much water remains after 12 hours. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Let's start by pulling out the key information. The pool starts with 8,000 gallons. That's our initial value at time 0. It drains at 250 gallons per hour. That's our constant rate of change. Our goal is to write a slope-intercept equation and then plug in 12 hours. Slope-intercept form is y equals m times t plus b. Here m is the slope, the rate of change, and b is the y-intercept, which is the starting value when t equals 0. The variable t is time in hours and y is gallons remaining. The pool is draining, so water is decreasing. That means our slope is negative 250. For every hour that passes, 250 gallons leave the pool. The pool starts with 8,000 gallons, and starts means at time 0. So our y-intercept b equals 8,000. On the graph, this is the point where t equals 0 and y equals 8,000. Now we substitute our slope and y-intercept into slope-intercept form. The equation is y equals negative 250t plus 8,000. This is our answer to the first part of the problem. Here is the graph of our equation. The line starts at the y-intercept of 8,000 gallons at time 0 and slopes downward at a constant rate. It crosses the t-axis at 32 hours, which is when the pool would be completely empty. The point at t equals 12 shows 5,000 gallons remaining. Now let's find how much water remains after 12 hours. We substitute t equals 12 into our equation. Negative 250 times 12 equals negative 3,000. Then negative 3,000 plus 8,000 equals 5,000. So after 12 hours, 5,000 gallons remain. Let's verify. 250 gallons per hour times 12 hours equals 3,000 gallons drained. Subtracting from 8,000 gives 5,000. That matches our equation's answer. To summarize, the equation in slope-intercept form is y equals negative 250t plus 8,000, and after 12 hours, 5,000 gallons of water remain in the pool. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.